So it's another CodeChef question called compilers and parsing. So it's a pretty confusing question, but I'll try to give you a brief or detailed explanation what they are trying to say. They are trying to say whenever you have opening bracket, so in that case you also have a corresponding closing brackets. That's a valid one. Okay, but there is one more catch. Let's suppose you have like this. In that case it's not valid. Why? Because you have opening bracket but there is no closing bracket. That's why it's not valid. And there's one more case like this. It is a valid case, but count is 2. Why it's valid? Because all the open brackets have a closing bracket, so they have a pretty two criterias how they validate this given string is valid or not. First one is um, number of opening number of open is equals to number of close. Always number of open is less than or equals to number of close. Okay, second thing, uh, do not count any closing bracket until you have a opening bracket. Okay, so let's take an example and see how I solve this. Right now I'm taking a valid example so that you will understand easily, and after that we will pick one more exceptional cases. um, what I did, I maintain open, close, and answer. These three variable I maintained. um, I only consider open if, okay, I only consider close if my open is greater than close. Okay, so first character is open, right? So I initiate with one, initialize with one, then it's close. So whenever you have a close, in that case you have to check open, is it greater than close or not. Yes, it is. That's why you have to add one here as well. And now you have to check is open and close are equal. If it's equal, then you have to add it 2 here, and these two open and close will back to 0. Again for this, first it increase, then for closing it checked is it open greater than or not. In our case it is, that's why we have to add 1. Because both are equal, that's why we have to update it to 4 and again go back to 0. Now it's, now I have to check this. Open 1, open 2, close. Is close less than 2? I mean less than open? Yes. So you have to add it. 1 is again close. Is open greater than close? Yes. That's why you have to add 2, because both are equal. That's why you have to add 2 plus 2 4 in this 4. So answer is 8. I'll show you code as well. Let's take another example. Let's suppose this one. Open, close, 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 and open, close, answer. First open, come, okay, then close. Is close greater than open? Yes, it is. Then that's why you have to add 1, because both are equal. That's why you have to add 2 in the answer, and both goes to 0. Then here is a point. Then close. Is close greater than 0? No. In that case you have to break this. You have to no need to go further, just print the answer. That's it. And here's the code. See, whenever opening bracket come, I'll increase this open. If open is greater than close, only then I increment my close variable. And whenever my this condition is not true, means at any moment of time my closure is greater than open, in that case I break this entire loop and print answer. And in case both are equal, then I add both of them and again go back to 0, open and close. That's it.